Good morning, children. With the completion of the story, The Ostrich and the Hedgehog, I've explained to you the story, the whole story, in own words. You also write the story in your own words, The Ostrich and the Hedgehog. You have also learned the hard words related to this story, their spellings, the pronunciation and meaning too. All the words related to these stories, you have recalled their meaning also. And finally, you framed into the sentences of all hard words. You can also make it in your own language, in your own sentence. Just made small sentences of it. Now, today we will do the exercise part. The first one, that is D3, complete the statement. And this statement related to the chapter The Ostrich and the Hedgehog. So, keep in your mind the story The Ostrich and the Hedgehog and complete the sentences. You are able to fill it. The first one beautiful morning, a hedgehog met ant. One beautiful morning, hedgehog is a one animal which have spikes on its body, and that hedgehog mammals met and which animal in that story? Yes, it's ostrich. You very well known that hedgehog mate with ostrich in the story. Now, second, the ostrich did not greet the hedgehog because ostrich was very proud in that story. And why ostrich is very proud on itself? Because of its fastest running animal. Because it's very fastest running animal. So ostrich has proud on itself. So ostrich did not greet the hedgehog because he was very proudy. 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 The ostrich did not greet the hedgehog because he was very proudy. The third, it was decided to run the race at the midday. Because why it was decided by ostrich and hedgehog to take the race at the midday? Because he wanted some time. कुछ वक्त मांग रहा था. Because he wanted some time to take rest, some time to sleep, some time to fill his empty stomach. अपने खाली पेट को भरना था उन्हें. Now, fourth one. Every time the ostrich reached the end of the barley row. हर बार ostrich जो है वो बाली रो के एंड पे पहुंच जाता है, एक छोर पे. He found what he found there. He found hedgehog, H-E-D-G, hedgehog already there with smiling face. Every time the ostrich reached the end of the barley row, he found hedgehog already there. One hedgehog at each end of the row. And ostrich became very surprised to see the smiley hedgehog at the each end of the row. How can he reach there? Now, fifth one. The hedgehog at the end of the barley rows were actually the original hedgehogs. What original hedgehogs? Family members. It's family members. Hedgehog at the end of the barley rows were actually the original hedgehogs. Family original hedgehogs के वो क्या थे? Family members थे. So that. Now the last one. The last hedgehog was fresh and smiling. On every row, a smiley hedgehog was sitting there. Then how the hedgehog with running can be smiling in mud? Yes, because the last hedgehog was fresh and smiling because he had not run any race, because hedgehog submitted or greeted their position, each of their family members. So the family members cannot participate in the race, is not participating in the race. The family members only sitting at the end of the each row so that they became in smiley mood. Now just repeat it once more. Complete the statement from the story. The first one beautiful morning, a hedgehog met an ostrich. One beautiful morning, a hedgehog met which animal? Ostrich. The ostrich did not greet the hedgehog because क्यों नहीं greet करता था? Because he was very proudy. Because ostrich was very proudy. P-R-O-U-D-Y. Proudy. Now, third one. It was decided to run the race at midday. It was decided to run the race at the midday because he wanted some time. क्योंकि hedgehog को कुछ वक्त चाहिए था. क्यों वक्त चाहिए था? To take rest, to take sleep, सोने के लिए, rest करने के लिए, and to fill their empty stomach. ये भी. Now, the next one, fourth one. Every time the ostrich reached the end of the barley row, he found hedgehog already there. How ostrich reached at the end of the each barley row? He found that hedgehog already here because hedgehog appointed his family member at the end of the each row. So ostrich found at the end of each row a new hedgehog, a new family members matching with the usual hedgehog, appropriate जो normal hedgehog. Fifth one, the hedgehogs at the end of the barley rows were actually the original. Yes, actually the original hedgehog's family members. The hedgehogs at the end of the barley rows were actually the original hedgehog's family members. Family members ही थे, वो जो असल वाले hedgehog थे उसके family members थे. And the last one, the last hedgehog was fresh and smiling because हर रो के लास्ट में जो hedgehog था वो स्माइली था because क्यों था? Because he had not run any race, because he had not participated in race, he only seated there. Okay, so that if you are not participated in rest, then you couldn't be tired, so that you are in smiley face. So in this way your first exercise D3 completed. After then we will do D4. Thank you.